Okay, but if this is your first time that you write this code, you should save it. You must save it actually, but I saved it before, that's why I don't need to save it again. And just I go to this button, start compilation, and compile our code. Okay, let me check it. Ask me to because I changed something here. Ask me to save it. Yes, I'm going to save it. Now my compilation starts, and let me check that. I think it must be less than 1 minute. 30 to 42%, 50%. Don't forget to send me all the files of the project, not just the simulation file like a previous lab session. Send me all the project file, included code, included the simulation, waveform, and everything. Okay, I think it's almost finished. Yes, compilation was successful, and we have 12 warning, doesn't matter. Okay, now let me go to the simulation. As you know, for this up to here your compilation is finished, and we should go to the simulation. We go to the file, we select new, and here we select the university program. We label F and click on OK. Here in simulation waveform editor, you should add your nodes. At first we set our time, and time we change it to the 116 nanosecond to be more clear. And also here again we go to the insert node emboss, and we select the node finder, and we select the list button, and we have all our ports A0, A1, and our output. You can see they are input and they are output. We add them, and we OK, and again OK. Here we have A0, A1, A2, AB. We are responsible to define the time for them. And as I told you, when we have 4, it's better to set 20, 14, 18, and 160 to be more clear. Let me check here. We set to 20 nanoseconds for A1, to 14 nanosecond for this one, to 18 nanosecond, and for the last one is 160. It's up to you actually, but in this way you can find all the events. Okay, now let me go to the compilation. We select on here run function null simulation. Okay, we say yes, we are going to save it. The name is okay. You don't need to change the name. If you like, you can change the name, but I didn't change it. And here the compilation is almost finished. There are the logs of your simulation, and when you see this picture, it means that everything is fine. And here is your compilation. You can see that A0, A1, B0, and B1, and here you have C0, C1, C2, and 3. So as I told you, this is different from this picture. Okay, this window is different. In here you should just set the input, and here you can find your output as well. Okay, so for example, here if the A0 is 1 and A1 is 1 and B0 and B1 are 0, the result will be 0 for all the C1, C0, C1, C2, and C3. And for example, here if the A0 is 1, A1 is 1, B0 is 1, but the B1 is 0, your output will be 1, 1, 0, 0, and so on. You can check it all the possible situation. Okay, so don't forget to send me all this file, the lab number 5. You should send me the lab number 5, and you can zip it or make it with the rar, compress it, and you should send me all these files. So your file should have this one, and all of them. Don't forget to send me the waveform or this one. Okay, so you are responsible to send me all this file and grading you. Okay, this is the lab sheet number number